G'day all, today is the first episode on the series how to use Crypto.com app, and we will start from the basics, how to install the app, how to open up the app, and how to use it. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's dive right into it. As you can see, I already installed the app, and I'm gonna open it. You install it, you go through all the required steps, and then they have to confirm you, and then you will be able to access the app. As you can see, that's the app, that's how it looks like now. And on the top section here you can see there is a favorites section. That's my favorite cryptocurrencies that I'm kind of looking towards and just trying to see the pricing actions, all sorts of stuff in there. I really like Solana, Polygon, PancakeSwap, Phantom, Curve, Pax Gold for whatever reason, and Polkastar. I don't know why it's even there, but that's fine. It's a really good project anyways. And that's the section of favorites. You can trade or transfer your balance out of the app to whatever you want. You can deposit crypto, you can deposit fiat. Also you can withdraw crypto to either other Crypto.com users, which is really neat and doesn't take much of a fee to actually send the crypto through. Or you can deposit your balances to Crypto.com exchange, or you can actually transfer all your balances from Crypto.com app to Crypto.com DeFi wallet, which is your own personal wallet where you can stock your coins. As well as you can actually withdraw crypto to external wallet or bank account. Let's see what's bank account all about. Yeah, bank account is you actually can withdraw your crypto straight to your fiat bank account, which is interesting. It's pretty new feature, but as you can see, there is a minimum amount. You have to have a minimum of 500 USDC in order to deposit to your bank, and it would take a long time because it goes through international SWIFT system, which I'm not really a fan of. First thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to deposit crypto. You can deposit any of these listed cryptos here. Like literally, I mean most of them, at least. Some of them are not available right now for whatever reason, and which is fine. The simplest one would be Crypto.com coin, and as you can see, I'm in New Zealand, therefore sometimes for me it's cheaper to buy it through the other exchanges and deposit it straight onto my Crypto.com app so I can actually trade it. They give you the Zero wallet and Zero memo in order to deposit your crypto there. What we can do, I prefer using Easy Crypto. Really nice exchange. Does not hold any cryptos, the fees are minimal, and I've been using that for a while too. So in here it's pretty simple. You enter the amount in dollars and you can choose what you want. For example, I want Zero. Crypto.com, and as you can see, I'm below the minimum amount for this specific token, so I'd have to go actually 250 or even 260 now. Oh no, even 270. Yeah, 270 in the dollars, it's actually about 180 US dollars now, which is crazy, but it's fine. And if I click buy now, that's my order summary. What I'll do, I'll go to my app. I'm gonna have to do verification again. Copy my address. Then I'll check it here, and as you can see on our app it said we have to have a memo, which I'm gonna add memo. It asks us if we're sure we need it. Yes, we are, because app specified us we actually have to have it in order to have our Zero deposit onto our wallet account. So we'll add memo and we'll just go into app again. We copy the memo, we enter it here, and we'll go next step. Then you can choose how you want to pay. That all depends on your country. That's me in New Zealand. I prefer using account to account because it's instant, it's free, and it's supported by many banks. Polypay, you have to pay 1% fee, which I'm not a fan of paying fees. Or bank deposit is another thing, but it takes a pretty long time to confirm your transaction. So we'll go account to account, and we'll confirm that it has to come out from the personal account on my personal bank account, because it might not be processed in this case. So I'll confirm. It's going to come out. As you can see, the transaction includes a network fee, which is 1/100th of a CRO, which is about 0.00 cents in US dollars. And I'll go pay. Then I'll choose my bank, and the transaction would look like something like this. But in your wallet, if you open up your Crypto.com wallet, the transaction would look something like this: Crow deposit. As you can see, some days ago I did buy it for the minimum amount, and it gives you the address it was deposited from, but it doesn't really matter because it would be the exchange account. It would show you the network type that deposit been going through, and it would give you the USD amount at that time. That transaction was on May 20th, 2021, and then you would have your CRO deposited onto your account. Pretty neat. So that's how you can buy Crow from the outsourced exchange and can deposit a coin onto your Crypto.com wallet. It does not have to be Crow, can be anything else. You actually can deposit all of these coins. You can find full list on their website. Basically, if you want to deposit, let's say you want to deposit 1 inch, you go, you transfer, you deposit. That's your address. Make sure the network is actually ERC20. As you can see, it's right there. Yeah, so that's ERC20 network. If you want to deposit something else, you can. But that's from the outside source. You don't have to do it from the outside source. You can actually do everything within the app if you really want to. For example, if I want to buy, let's say, I want to buy some Ripple. I don't mind some Ripple. Ripple's pretty cool. If I want to buy some Ripple, I click buy. It would be simple. And you can see here, you have 3 options how to buy it. First one would be a credit card. Second one would be your crypto wallet. So you can actually use your other cryptos in order to buy other cryptos. And you can have a fiat wallet, which is, I've got 2 euro cents in there. The fiat wallet is a different story. I'll show you it later. The credit card is pretty neat as well. It's pretty simple. So if you want to buy, for example, 100 Ripple or like 50 XRP, you can actually choose the card you want to buy it with. You click buy, and as you can see, in my country there is a 4% card fee. That's why I don't want to lose 4% of my value right before I even buy a crypto. That's why I try to avoid using the card as much as I can. In New Zealand, it does not matter if you using debit card or credit card, it still will incur 4% fee on your transaction. In case you want to sell your XRP, you actually can sell it. The price you're seeing here on this chart, it's not going to be necessarily the price you're going to be selling it for, because this is a spot price and you cannot buy or sell crypto on a spot price because it does not exist in the real world. And you buy always higher price than this, and you sell always lower price than this. On different cryptocurrencies there is different spread, but you can't get away from that. If you want to sell crypto, you can sell it. You can sell it either to other cryptos such as Zero, ETH, Bitcoin, USDC, USDT. As you can see, USDC value here is 198, even though if I go to my Ripple account here, it would show me it's actually 201. So if it's 201 here, that's how much it's worth. It's not necessarily what you can sell it for. And the bigger the order, more money you would lose on spreading. That's why it's easier to actually sell in small batches, because you would actually lose less money by doing so. Basically, I'm losing $3 out of my value. In there it showed me 201, and here it's 198, and that's how it works. And the price always fluctuates, so you actually better catch a good moment when to sell. So, in the next episode, I'm gonna show you how to stake your crypto within the Crypto.com app, and I'm gonna show you how to earn a bit of a passive income on your crypto. If you don't want your coins just to sit there and do nothing, you always can stake them for certain percent. There are different ways of staking it on different platforms. I'm gonna show you the Crypto.com platform and what I stake and what percentages do I get and what returns do I get on my stake. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please chuck a like button there. If you didn't like this video, please let me know why in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.